Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today tutorial will be on this simple trending gele that I saw on Instagram, so I decided let me share with you my billionaire family. So process of this gele is so simple, guys. It's so easy, it's not hard at all. The gele process is not hard at all. It's not hard. So just look at the way I'm bringing it from the back, bringing it to the front. Wanted to create pleats there, but I later remember I will still create pleats at the front, so I just leave it, go straight to twist it at that front like that. Just look at the way I'm twisting it. I twist it like 2 times or 3 times before I'll now start creating the pleats. Now just look at what I'm doing, guys. This process is so easy, it's not hard. So do let me know if you want to see a DIY of this. And there's this previous gele that I uploaded. If you want to see the DIY, do let me know at the comment section also. So I'm just like creating pleats, little plate like that. Your baby is at my back, baby Joshua is at my back. And you know, as usual now, I sweat a lot too. So I've moved to the other side now. Just want to adjust it a little bit like that, like so. If I will now go back and now tie it, just look at the way I'll be tying it at the back now. Just look at that, like so. So I'll not be tying it, I'll be rolling it, then use office pin to pin it down. Using office pin to pin it down like that, like so. Make sure you pin it very well and be careful not to hurt your model or your clients. Be very careful not to hurt your model or your clients. So back to the front. Now we are adjusting it like that. Make sure you adjust it the way you want. At first, when tying this gele, you will think it will not come out nice, but just make sure you take your time, do it the way you want. So that's what I'm still doing. I'm adjusting it, still adjusting the plates. Take your time, don't be in a hurry. So I'll be using office pin to pin the excess hand at the back like that. So look at that now, that side is already okay now. So moving to the other side now, doing the same thing also. Adjust it like that, like that. So I'll be using office pin to pin it together there at that middle like that. Then adjust it, adjust it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, please share my video with your loved ones, and please also follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. Do let me know if you have any question, guys. I'll be glad to answer you. So that is it about the video. It's very easy, not hard. You can just simply tie this for your client for Owambe parties. If you do not want something that is too much, this gele is good to go. So this is it. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share my video with your loved ones. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.